Okay guys, what's up? Here's a video of a Seagull lighting Celebrity Deluxe ceiling fan at my hotel room in the Homewood Suites that I'm staying at. So, this is the fan in here. There were some Fanimation Zonixes downstairs. So, I'm not too familiar with this brand, but from what I heard, most of these fans are in Culver's stores. Go see if there's any stickers on the top. Oh yeah, there is. Let's see. This is looks like it's made in 2007. Yeah, July 2007. So without further ado, let's turn it on. Start with the light. So this light here is on a dimmer. Okay. Okay, so let's turn, sorry about those noises guys, but let's turn it on low. Okay. Here's what it looks like outside. There's a Spring Hill Suites across the street. So, go to medium. Sorry, I just had to wipe something off of there. Okay, when I just came in the room last night, it was blowing warm air because the heater was on down there. Let's turn it on high. You can see it's blowing the lamp around like that. Like some sort of air test right here. Let's turn the light on. Let's turn it off for spin down. Looks like it kind of has some bent blades or one bent blade. So, let's see, you can kind of see it in the mirror right there. Okay, let's put it on reverse. Yeah, I kind of tilted it a bit. Let's turn the light on. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye.